Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set Firefox for Windows to ask before closing multiple tabs. First, I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'm going to open Firefox. Now I'm going to open a new tab. So I'm going to click Open New Tab. Now if I hit the X in the top right-hand corner, it's going to close both tabs. Now, this can be a problem if you hit the X by accident, then you're accidentally closing every single tab you have open as opposed to one at a time, and there's a simple way to fix this. So I'm going to go back to Firefox, open a new tab. Now click on the three lines in the top right-hand corner and go to Settings. Under General, you're going to scroll down. And under Tabs, we're going to check off Ask before closing multiple tabs. Now you can go to the Settings. And now if I click the X in the top right-hand corner that says Close, I get a pop-up and it says Ask before closing multiple tabs. You can select Close Tabs or Cancel. Now if you hit it by accident, you just simply click Cancel and your tabs are still there. And if you want to close all tabs, select Close Tabs. So that is how you set Firefox for Windows to ask before closing multiple tabs. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. And I will see you in my next video.